Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Hello and welcome children to your computer class. Today we will start with a new lesson, chapter number 4, Microsoft Windows. So now let's read the lesson together. Just as we can overview a beautiful scenery from a window, we can overview the whole world from home with the help of Microsoft Windows. So what they are telling us is, just as these two kids, they are looking through the window of their house to the outside world. So similarly, Microsoft Windows is an operating system. What is Microsoft Windows? You will study in standard 4 about operating system, but just now remember the name. It is an operating system. It allows us to see what we can overview the whole world from home with the help of Microsoft Windows. With the help of Microsoft Windows, we can get connected to the whole world outside our house. हमारे घर के बाहर जो पूरी दुनिया है उससे हम कनेक्ट हो सकते हैं, चाहे वो हमारे बाजू का घर हो या इसी तरह हमारे सिटी का कोई घर हो, हमारे स्टेट, हमारे कंट्री और एनीवेयर इन द वर्ल्ड वी कैन गेट कनेक्टेड विद देम, वी कैन हैव अ व्यू ऑफ देम. And how is this possible? With the help of internet and with the help of Microsoft Windows. We need both of these things. Okay, so in this lesson we are studying about Microsoft Windows. What is Microsoft Windows? Microsoft Windows or MS Windows is a software. See, remember in the last lesson we had studied about hardware and software. Hardware is something that you can touch with your hand, right? You can physically hold it or you can touch it. For example, monitor, keyboard, CPU, mouse, all these things you can touch and feel with your hand. But the software such as Paint, Notepad, Microsoft Word, all of these you cannot touch. So they are called software. So Microsoft Windows is also a software. We cannot touch or feel it, but we can use it to do many things on the computer. Microsoft Windows is very important. We can do many things with it on the computer. We can use it to write and draw. We can also use it to carry out calculations and play games. Microsoft Windows के हेल्प से हम क्या कर सकते हैं? It enables us, हमें वो अलाउ करता है कि हम कंप्यूटर पे राइट करें, कंप्यूटर पे ड्रॉ करें, कंप्यूटर पे कैलकुलेशंस करें, कंप्यूटर पे गेम्स खेलें. सो ऑल ऑफ दिस इज पॉसिबल विद द हेल्प ऑफ माइक्रोसॉफ्ट विंडोज़. ओके, नाउ लेट्स सी स्टार्टिंग विंडोज़. जब हम कंप्यूटर स्टार्ट करते हैं तो ऐसी स्क्रीन हमें दिखाई देती है. वी सी लाइक दिस स्क्रीन अपियरिंग ऑन द मॉनिटर. सो व्हाट डज इट से? व्हेन अ कंप्यूटर इज स्विच्ड ऑन, Microsoft Windows gets loaded by itself on the computer. The opening screen of Windows XP looks like this. This is how the screen looks like of Microsoft Windows. When the computer is starting, it takes few minutes until the computer has started correctly and properly. So until the time the computer is starting, we can see different things coming on the monitor screen. And one of the screen that comes is this one. Microsoft Windows XP. XP is the version of the Windows. For example, you have Windows 7, so Windows 7 will come, Windows 10 will come. Depending upon the version of the Windows, it will come. But like this screen, this window icon will come on the screen if you have Microsoft Windows installed in your computer. Now let's move on to the next page. So this is the screen that comes after the computer has started properly or correctly. This is the main screen of MS Windows. It is called desktop. जैसा हमारा डेस्क रहता है जिस पे हम स्टडी करते, सी does it not look like the desktop on which you study or do homework? See, your books are there, your table is there. So similarly, this is our computer desktop. All the things that we need are on the computer desktop thing screen. Okay, all of these are called what? They are called icons. You must have studied in the last lesson that these are called icons. Okay, so this is the desktop screen. This is the first screen that comes whenever we switch on the computer. Okay, this is the screen that comes when we switch on the computer. Now let's see what is Windows desktop. We see many things on the desktop. These are called the components of the desktop. डेस्कटॉप पे हमें बहुत सारी चीज़ें दिखाई दे रही है, राइट? यू कैन सी दिस फोल्डर, दिस फाइल, माई कंप्यूटर. सो व्हाट आर दीज? there are some small pictures to the left of the screen. See, this is the left side of the screen. there are some small pictures to the left of the screen. These are called icons. Here are some of the icons that are seen on the desktop. See, this is the icon of my documents. This is the icon of recycle bin. Whatever we delete on the computer, it goes into this dustbin. So that is called recycle bin. So this is the icon of recycle bin. This is the icon of my documents. Then what we can see, what else can we see on the screen of the desktop? Yes, we can see like this long bar at the bottom of the screen. See, this long bar at the bottom of the screen. It is called what? It is called task bar. Whatever files or folder we have opened, इधर आके वो open हो जाते हैं. When we close them, फिर यहाँ से वो close हो जाते हैं. Okay, that is why it is called task bar. Now let's move on to the next page. See, on the taskbar you can see a start button. See, when we click on the start button, like this pop-up window comes up. There is a start button to the left of the taskbar. When it is clicked, a menu appears. Like this menu appears when we click on the start button. It has different options given. One is turn off the computer, that is switch off. One is log off, like temporarily turn the computer off. Then there is run, help, search, settings, documents, favorites, programs, and all the other things are there. The icons on the taskbar to the right can be used to change the time and date. Also, time and date is also mentioned on the desktop screen on the taskbar. We can change the date and time. अगर हमने इसके ऊपर डबल क्लिक किया, then a calendar will open up, and from there we can change the date as well as time. Then also when we were seeing the desktop screen, what we had seen? We had seen like this icon, right? Some icons look like this. This is a folder. उसको like we have a physical folder in which keep many files. देखो, I keep photos in this folder. तो एक कंप्यूटर में फोल्डर में फोटोज़ रख रहा है, और उसके मम्मी ने क्या किया, फिजिकल फाइल के अंदर उन्होंने फोल्डर में बहुत सारे फाइल्स रखे हैं. सो सिमिलरली अ फोल्डर कैन बी यूज टू कीप एनीथिंग. फोल्डर इज़ लाइक अ बैग. उसमें आप आपके फाइल्स रख सकते हो. यू कैन कीप अ पेंटिंग फाइल, अ म्यूजिक फाइल, अ वीडियो फाइल, अ ड्राइंग फाइल. एनी फाइल you can keep inside a folder. You can keep any number of files depending upon the size of the computer. कंप्यूटर के मेमोरी में कितनी जगह है, उतने फाइल्स आप फोल्डर में रख सकते हैं. एंड ऑल ऑफ दिस वुड बी इनसाइड दिस. जब आपको बाहर से बस ये एक फोल्डर दिखाई देगा, बट व्हेन यू डबल क्लिक एंड ओपन इट, इनसाइड इट यू विल सी ऑल ऑफ योर फाइल्स, एंड ईच फाइल हैज़ अ फाइल नेम. हर फाइल का क्या रहता है, एक फाइल नेम रहता है. ओके, सो वी विल stop over here, and in the next class, in the next video, we will see about folders and files. What are folders and what are files? Okay, so we will stop over here. I hope you understood the lesson, and if you haven't, watch the video again. Okay, thank you.